This video shows how to replace the fuser for the Xerox VersaLink C620 color printer. Press the power button, then touch Power Off. To prevent personal injury, unplug both ends of your power cord. Open door A. Open door A1 and wait 30 minutes for the printer to cool. To release the fuser, turn the two knobs counterclockwise until the knobs spring forward. Pull the fuser out from the knobs. Unbox and insert the new fuser into the printer. Place your hands on the outside of the printer and press on the fuser using your thumbs until the fuser clicks into place. To lock the fuser into the printer, push the two knobs in while turning the knobs clockwise until tight. Close door A1. Close door A. Dispose the used fuser. Plug in both ends of your power cord. And power on the printer. After the replacement of the fuser, the supply counter must be reset manually. To reset the supply counter in the control panel, log in the printer with admin credentials. Touch Device app, then select Tools. Inside Tools, touch Device Settings, then choose Supplies. In Supplies, touch Supply Counter Reset, then scroll the screen to select Fuser. Touch the Reset Counter option appears on the control panel. The Reset Counter confirmation pop-up appears. Touch Reset to confirm.